Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with a new video which is inspired from the zodiac signs, and I'm going to do a makeover that is inspired from the sign Leo. Now Leo depicts royalty, therefore I went for a golden eye makeup look. So let's get started. As you can see, I have already done a minimal base makeup with Cryolan. Then I went for the eyebrows, which I did with the L'Oreal eyebrow pomade. Now today the entirely eye makeover will be done from this Huda Beauty palette, which you can easily get from Nykaa. So I'm starting with the dark orange shade on the topmost right corner of the palette. I'm using the flat brush and filling my entire lid with this color. Now you may wonder, what's that glossy thing on my eyelid? So yes, I just applied a layer of concealer to get better pigmentation of these colors. So after applying the orange all over the lid, you can see I am using the same brush to apply a dark brown shade that is in the palette itself. But I am keeping it to the first portion of the eyelid where you usually apply the eyeliner. So you can see the partition very well. And then I am going to use the gold shade. So this is basically a 3 color step tutorial. But you can see I am applying the gold shade with a different brush. There are 3 different shades. You can choose whichever you want. The pigmentation is really good, so you don't have to worry about it. So while you're applying the glitter shades, I would recommend you not to blend them. Just dab them very lightly with firm hands all over the eyelid. Don't blend them, and there is going to be a huge fallout, so be prepared for that. That is the only reason I haven't applied my concealer under my eyes yet. So as you can see, I have applied the orange, brown, then the golden shade. I kept the gold glitter till the middle of my eyes because I wanted them to blend well, giving us like a slight smoky eye look. First I thought of not applying eyeliner or doing the shadow with the shadow itself. As you can see, I have not put on my lens today. So just to enhance my eyes, I am applying the white kohl on the waterline. It just gives the illusion of bigger eyes. Then instead of applying kajal or black kohl, I am using the same flat brush with which I applied the brown color, and I am smudging the leftover eyeshadow just like a kohl. I love this look right now. Since my eyes are too small and hooded, I like to cover it both on the upper shadow and the waterline as well. It gives a proper definition. So I'm done with the eyes, and the next step is contouring the nose. So I know many of you prefer doing it with a brush. I also do it, but for the ease, most of the time, I should be honest, I contour my nose with the help of my hands. I am a dancer, and in most of the functions I do my makeup on my own, so I'm just used to doing the makeup with my hands as well, fingertips. Most of the time I do it, but for foundation and eyeshadow I always use the brushes. So it's up to you whether you want to use your brushes or fingertips. Now you can see I just concealed my under eyes after doing the eyeshadow because there's going to be a fallout. Next, this is actually a blush on brush, but I use the contour powder on my cheeks with the blush brush as well. So I'm keeping the very warm shade for this look. I'm not applying a pink blush. I am applying an orange eyeshadow mixed with the contour powder from the Sugar palette. As you have seen, I have already shown the Sugar palette in my video. You can easily get it from any store, directly from the Sugar website or directly from Nykaa. I'm gonna enhance this later on, but first I'm gonna apply mascara. Now guys, I would always recommend you to use falsies or lens if you're going for this super golden makeup look. These are ideal for any sangeet, weddings, functions. You have to wear a very gorgeous outfit with it. And if you really want to rock any party, I would think with black shirt or something like that, this look would go very well. But for that you have to wear nude lips. So you can see I'm applying this lipstick. This is from Makeup Revolution. The shade is Wine Dine. You can also apply the lip shade a Natural Choco from Faces Canada. It has the same shade. And now for a shimmery look, I just applied a bit of highlighter. So the highlighter portion is must for this look. And for this look, you must have like heavy contouring. You don't want pink cheeks with golden eyes. It never goes. The contrast is absolutely dull. So you should have like a bronzed look for this look. So I'm not outlining exactly, but to give definition to my eyes, I'm using the flat brush with a leftover eyeshadow, because it will complement my lips as well. So I'm done with my makeup, and now just for a few photo shoots. You can just avoid this as well. This is just for the photo shoot purpose. I'm drawing the sign Leo with the white kohl, and this kohl is from Lakme Iconic. This is really good. I would recommend you to buy it. The pigmentation is really well and it stays on for a long period of time. So this is the final look, guys. Let me know if you loved it, and I hope you recreate it in any of the functions